G'day, John Willis for Camper Trailer Australia magazine, and I'm in one of my favourite spots up on the Goulburn River in the Central Highlands, a little secret spot of mine. It's a fitting little location actually, because right behind me here I've got the fully Australian made Tambo Rubicon. The little Rubicon River is only just over the hill here, so we'll probably go and play up there a bit later. Great little camper, tough as nails, Australian built, Duragel chassis, good paintwork, rugged independent suspension, that's a Vanguard suspension underneath, good strong off-road wheels and tyres, and a good solid chassis all the way through, running up to a Treg style coupling for off-road use as well. And I've got to say, everything about this unit is just tough and strong. The canvas quality is great, it's got a good pull-out kitchen, it's even got its own pull-out tray with about a 40-litre Ironman fridge in there as well, and that's all standard equipment. Very good value for money, very tough unit. No wonder he can't keep up with supply, doing well. The sun's setting on another beautiful day in the Victorian Central Highlands on the Goulburn River. We've caught a couple of little trout too, not big, we're not boasting, but we had a lot of fun doing it. The Tambo camp has just been terrific. It's been a lovely little home, it's given us shade, it's given us shelter, it's given us warmth, it's given us comfort, and that's what we're looking for. But most of all, it's given us just a great little facility to have some fun in the great Australian outdoors, and that's what we want to do. This is a great Australian camper. Locally built, locally produced, top-notch materials, go anywhere with you. What more could you ask for? This has been John Willis for Camper Trailer Australia.